I love the eyes. I'm not gonna lie. The eyes are kind of fire. The eyes are kind of fire. This is today's look. I tried so many new products today. Tried new technique on the eyes. Just loads of newness. You know when you just want to just play around? I've been so sick of my makeup recently. I feel like it's been looking... So I'm really happy with how today's look came out. Very obsessed. Very, very nice. Especially the eyes, the wing, the skin. Believe it or not, guys, I've got no highlighter on. I've got no liquid highlighter on. That is just base working. You guys always ask me so many questions about jewellery, and Ana Luisa New York reached out to me sending me some pieces and potentially working together, and I just thought it made so much sense because their pieces are a proper bit of me. They're absolutely gorgeous. This neck piece particularly, I've been rinsing. I've not taken this off my neck since I got it. You'll see if you go through my videos, go through my pictures on Instagram, I'm always wearing it. My third and fourth, I get so many questions about those on Instagram, also from Ana Luisa. And then these hoops, these absolutely stunning, timeless hoops. So beautiful. So Ana Luisa are a sustainable jewellery brand and they're based out in New York. All the pieces are super high quality. You don't have to worry about them tarnishing. This one pretty much lives on my neck. These 3 and 4, I have not taken them off since I put them on, and they're still looking so nice and so pretty on my ears. All my jewelry, I'm just making sure it's like really high quality, especially the ones in my ears, just because I never take them out. Other sustainable brands that I've purchased from are so expensive, and I feel like the pieces don't justify the pricing, but they're super stylish and they complement my other pieces so well. As you can see at the moment, I've got the hoops and the huggies in with piercings and jewellery from other brands, and everything just marries in together really, really nicely. Since I picked my pieces, I would assume they have like new collections and new pieces, so I also linked some other bits that caught my eye. I layer a lot of my chains, so I wanted a piece that I could wear snug at the top of my neck and then just put the other pieces around it, and it works so nicely for that. Hoops are just so beautiful. You can wear them in the daytime, you can wear them in the evening. They complement the rest of my ear. The huggies, I'm obsessed with these huggies. Like the way they sit on my ears, love. Like we'll never ever take them off. And it's actually a pair of earrings that I've just put in my 3rd and 4th, so you can just wear them in your 1s or in your 2s or whatever on either side. I put them on the same side, but of course you can put them on any side. And the lovely people at Ana Luisa have of course given me a discount code for you guys, so you can save some money on your purchase using the code BASEQUEEN10. And all the pieces come in this pouch, so when I'm not wearing these earrings, I just put them, it's like the little touches for me. So on the back of here it says, they look good attached to me, even better attached to you. On the little thank you card it says, we've always had a thing for silver linings and gold ones too, so thank you for thinking of us as a small way to brighten a day. Hit pause and enjoy the little moments of beauty, take a deep breath and let it all go. You know when a brand just does the extra little touches? I really love that. It feels like the piece is personal to you and it was made for you. And also mention that the jewellery portion of today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa New York. Just wanted to say that. So shout out to you guys for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys on a double for creating such beautiful, stylish, sustainable, not extortionately expensive jewelry. No outfit for today, but I should have another get ready with me with an outfit either before or after this one, so keep an eye out for that. Alrighty then, that's everything. Enjoy the video. Low key, I can't even really hear you guys because the scarf, well, not that there's anything to hear, but the scarf is like covering my ears. Oh god, face feels a little bit tight, so I'm just going to use a tiny bit of my Bobby face base. Primer real quick before I do my brows. So to prime, I'm using the blurring primer from, can you guys see that? Little bit. The blurring primer from Cover FX. It's like one of those thick, you know when the consistency is like mad thick. The idea is for the texture then to fill in your pores. So we're going to use that today. I haven't used a Cover FX primer in so long. I used to love these, but obviously because I've been so obsessed with my Fenty one, I feel like I don't really give other primers play. But now that's run out, listen, everyone's back into the game. Ooh, I used to love this primer. Cover FX primer is actually really good. I love the blurring one, the mattifying one. They have like a hydrating one, a cloud effect one, whatever that means. Brows real quick. What are we doing for brows today? I think I'm gonna use this. So for this, I'm just gonna let it play and let you guys watch me do my brows, basically. I ended up actually just using the Precisely My Brow. I know I said I was going to use the Contour Pro, but I just used the Precisely My Brow instead. Start with the eyes. So I'm using my Plouise base in Rumour 04 to prime my eyelids. I might mix it with a tiny bit of... Ooh, that's definitely too much. Set that all in place using my Huda Beauty Easy Bake in banana bread. For eyeshadow today, I kind of just want to do something fun, a little bit different, but mostly just fun. I'm going to use my bperfect Carnival Stacey Marie palette in something just fill out. Or the yellow. That yellow gets a lot of use, I'm not gonna lie. This is the palette I'm using today. Such a fun palette. I start with the yellow, which is the shade Keen, and just put that in there. And then do the same thing on the outside. Oh, the brush I'm using, by the way, is the NYX number 16. It's actually pretty good. Nice and fluffy. All is like this earthy tone brown. That's what we're gonna use. I apologize if the light is moving in and out, by the way. Blend this into the outside and just wing it out. And if you've got hooded eyes, if you want to just close your eyes slightly so you can get good visualization of the whole space. I like to work in this corner and then drag towards the tail of the brow. That's how I get my wing, and then I just go back and forth with this fluffier brush. And then that same colour on the inside. Do we want to? Yeah, let's put it on the inside. Now I'm going to cut the crease. This is make or break. This will show whether this actually looks nice or not. Definitely want to add some black to the outside, or a darker colour. Maybe I'll do dark brown. Or should I just do a wing? Jelly shadow called She Grown. This is what this one looks like. It's like iridescent pink. I'm hoping that by the time the rest of the face is finished, everything just comes together, because right now it looks really weird with just the eyes. So I'm going to do the rest of the look, and then hopefully it all looks cute at the end. For foundation today, I'm mixing the Instabake from Bakerie with the NARS Sheer Glow. I'm just going to pump it straight onto my face. I would pump it behind my hands, but behind my hands are a bit of a mess. This one's a little bit watery, but they work really well together. Under eye concealer, I'm going to actually mix the Fenty Pro Filter in 380. Gonna mix that with the Shiseido Synchro Skin in 301 medium. I haven't used this in ages. This is the ABH foundation stick in Ebony. I haven't used this in a while. This used to be my go-to for contour. Do you know what else I haven't done in a while? Upper lip. And I feel like my makeup has been looking different because I haven't. I'm just trying a heap of new products today. I don't know why, I'm just in the mood to try something different. That's why I'm not talking as much, because I'm trying to focus on the makeup to see like, ooh, like what's going on here? You know, when you're trying something new and you're just a bit like, Fenty concealer just to really sharpen that up. It's when the powders come in that you really see, okay, is this it or is it not? So let me just set this under eye real quick before things start moving around. I feel like I have a faulty, sometimes it just doesn't come out. Double under eye set with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in number 2. And then we'll do some contour with, again, Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know when I became a Charlotte Tilbury ambassador, but I've really been flying the Charlotte flag. I've really been waving it high. Just going to sweep that in circular motions just to make sure it's nicely diffused across the face. Ooh. The sweeping thing has really been working for me, because in the past I would just do like a, but buffing it onto the skin like this, like so, has been excellent. Okay, I feel like this is a good time to take this off, seeing as we're doing all the contourness. I'm actually going to use the brush we use for the liquid instead of the powder, because the powder is what interrupts it. Okay, I'm just going to go pop some lashes on. I don't even know what lips I'm doing today, but I know I'm starting with BFF3. Then Chestnut. Maybe I'll do Board Meeting. I feel like this is gonna be fire with a matte lip. This is Board Meeting from Huda. Finish off by popping on my earrings from Ana Luisa. My hoops, they're so elegant. What do you call that when you have a mirror in front of you and you don't use it? Time for fragrance. Oh, this look is actually kind of cute. The eyes are pretty. Anyway, fragrance time. I'm going to mix. Oh, I've got a couple ones here that I've never mentioned. Couple that I've never mentioned before. So we've got Kayali Vanilla. I don't know if I've talked about Kayali Vanilla. Buff. Banging. Kayali Deja Vu White Flower. Banging. And of course Helvetti from Penhaligon's. I like to mix these two because Helvetti is very strong and oody. That's the kind of vibe, whereas vanilla is obviously vanilla, very sweet. Yes, 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 yes. And then a dash of I just love layering the Kayali fragrances because they're made to be layered, so I just lay them all up. I love the eyes, like so fierce and so pretty. This base combination actually works pretty well together. And of course I set my face with Charlotte Tilbury. I did that off camera. And then I used a little bit of the Fenty Beauty What a Dew. This is bad boy. I love this. It just gives like, do you see that nice little, the sheen on the high points of my face, even though I haven't used any highlighter. That is the finished look. Ana Luisa jewellery. As I mentioned, they're a sustainable jewellery brand from New York. I think a lot of, especially if you're my age, like mid-20s, we're kind of moving towards that. Don't mind spending a bit more if I know that I'm going to keep it for a lot longer. Like I've had friends ask me, oh, what's a really good jewellery brand, because I'm sick of my fingers like going green. You know, the after effects of cheap jewellery. I don't really think people are trying to do that anymore. So if you can spend a bit of money and have it, and the pieces are so timeless, like look at this chain. I wear it all the time. I layer it up with my other pieces. It's just so stunning. Like these hoops, they're so simple. Oh, I love these huggies because they sit so comfortably in the ears. They look so pretty. Oh, don't forget my code BASEQUEEN10 will save you some money. The earrings, the hoops and the chain are my favorite from site, but as I mentioned, there's so much stuff on there and there's lots of stuff for everyone, so I might link some other favorites as well, because of course they would have had some new ins by the time I picked these a while ago, so I'm sure between when I picked these and now they have a whole new collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved today's video. Update on these lashes, because I know I've been saying they're coming soon for the longest time, but all the pre-orders have been done now. Everything has been sent out, so these really will be coming very, very soon. So make sure you follow us on socials. You'll get the first update about when they're coming, but it's soon. Maybe after my birthday actually. My birthday is in 3 weeks. It's bank holiday in the UK, then it's my birthday, so maybe after that, just so that we can stay on top of shipping everything out on time. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. Bye.